Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I wish you a advance very happy new year. And we are entering to 2021 year and Indian government has produced some rules to us in 2021 to follow. In this video we will discuss about the main two rules which we have to follow in 2021 year. We will discuss about the main two rules which are produced by Indian government to follow in 2021 by all Indians. Let's go. Firstly, the major two rules are given us to upgrade the technology. The two rules are given to follow us to upgrade the technology of Indian government. The first law which we have to follow is the first rule is FASTag. FASTag is introduced by Indian government to work in toll plazas in 2016, but it because of some problems it not came into work. But from 2021 it works in toll plaza. Till 2020 ending we have to stop our vehicle at toll plaza and pay the money to the employer of the toll plaza. That will big waste of our time. To don't waste our time, we use fast. By fast tags we can save our time. Now let's see how the fast tag will work. The fast tag will work. Our our vehicle registration number and our account number will match and give a QR code. That QR code is pasted on our vehicle screen. The scanners that are they are in the scanners will have in toll plaza. They will scan and automatically the money in our account will translate it to the Indian government. By this image we can understand how FASTag will work. The scanners scan our FASTag that they are in the top of our screen, and this is a FASTag is a good process to save our time at this is good process to follow at toll plazas. Number 2 is WhatsApp rule. Yes, WhatsApp rule. We have to. The WhatsApp is introduced a rule to follow in 2021 to their users. Let's see what is the rule of WhatsApp in 2021. WhatsApp introduced so many updates in 2020. This is also update like to their customers. This rule is for safety of the customers of WhatsApp. The rule is WhatsApp to stop working on some devices. WhatsApp will primarily end support for smartphones that are using outdated operating systems like those below iOS 9 or Android 4.0.3 operating systems. According to reports, the iPhones that do not run on iOS 9 will not be used to WhatsApp on their phones from 2021. The rule is the WhatsApp will stop the services to some operating systems. They are I have told that operating system names. If you have below iOS, you will not get services from WhatsApp. Yes, you will not get services from WhatsApp. Clearly, which iPhones which have iOS 9 below operating systems, they do not get WhatsApp services from 2021. Android systems which have Android mobiles which have 4.0.3 below operating systems, they did not get WhatsApp services from 2021. Some mobiles have chance to upgrade their operating systems. If you have chance, then upgrade your. Some mobiles only have that chance to upgrade the operating system. I I am very lucky because I have a best operating system. My operating system is V5.5.4.0. This is a current version of my mobile. So friends, these are the important two rules which come in 2021. So again friends, wish you a very happy advance happy new year. So friends, this is today's video. This is not my channel content, but I want to tell to you because the 2021 is tomorrow. So I want to tell to you, please subscribe and like my video, and please subscribe to my channel.